Good morning, YouTube. We're here in Koh Samui, and this morning we're gonna go ziplining and we're gonna go check out some waterfalls and do a bit of water sliding too, so should be fun. So let's get to it. Okay, so one of the big disadvantages or negative points for Koh Samui is when you're walking down the street, sometimes you come across just the worst smell of like actual shit, and it's disgusting. So we've got a lot of sewage issues or whatever, but anyway, just thought I'd do a bit of gurning about that. Right now, walking into the Arc Bar down to the beach. Gonna pick up Sarah and Kira and all her friends and sisters and whatnot, and we'll be going in about an hour. So as you can see, I got some sunglasses, but I couldn't really haggle her down much. Ended up at 150, which is about £3 something. But I keep smashing my sunglasses, so I keep having to buy new ones. So we were at the ATM there and we were looking to take some money out because basically everything is cash here, and if you use a card it's like 3 to 5% charge. So I said, yeah, we'll just get out 30,000 or whatever. So anyway, card said insufficient funds, so I was like, okay, shoot. So we get back down here and we actually check the app and see what 30,000 is, and it looks like I was trying to take out about £650, which is, needless to say, a little bit too much. So at least when I go back next time I'll know how much is how much. I'll probably take out about 200, not 650. Okay, so we got pulled off the side of the road and we're going to try and get up on top of this Jeep, and it's going to be a disaster, but let's see. Alright, here we go. Hold on tight. So we're here at our first stop after the rooftop drive up this lunatic's road. First zip line. Let's see how it goes. Getting kitted out so I don't kill myself.
Oh, no.
No? Oh, no phone.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Go!
Legs up. Hey, here we go. Wow, spinning. All right. Did it. Nailed it.
Đã đen đi.
Okay.
Gonna
Gonna go.
1, 2, up.
Lift your legs up. Woo! Yeah! Oh! Got some good speed up there. Oh, my ass.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Whoa. Who else is on this one? Who's on this one? Roshin, look up here! Look up here! No. No interest.
He's loving it. Like
This is the kind of thing he's trying to drive us through here. Disastrous. At least we're not up on the top. We made it to the road. Hooray! So we're here at the first stop, first waterfall, and sad to see they've got a few elephants sort of chained up and in this place here. So I don't like that at all. But you know, what can you do? Is a lot of people come to see them. Wish they didn't, but they do. Yeah, they're like chained to the fence. It's awful. just going back to the hotel now, and don't know what we'll do tonight, but I think I'll just catch up on editing or something. So we'll end the vlog there for today. If you can still hear me, I know I've got the waterproof casing still on, so I don't know if you're able to hear me, but that's it for today. See you next time somewhere beyond here. Boom!